Hello kids! In this video, we're going to learn word family AN and AP app. Let's go! An C A N can F A N fan R A N ran P A N pan. Word family AP app C A P cap 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 M A P map 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 gap 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 LAP 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 lap. Repeat after me. Word family AN yan can fan ran pan. Word family AP app CAP cap MAP map GAP gap LAP lap. I hope kids you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. For more videos please subscribe. Bye bye.